ChiChi monkey alert.
Are we going for a ride? Are you guys gonna go with me? Yeah? You guys gonna go with the Poppy? Look at the spinning little demon dog there. Yep, spinning little demon dog. Hold on, let me get it. Now I gotta roll the windows down first, guys. I know Mommy don't do it like I do. No. Beep, beep. Oh shit, we need a key. Come on. We gotta go get a key. Come on, we gotta have a key. Hold on. Okay, now we got a key. We got a key now. We gotta hurry though before it rains on our heads. So hold on. Wait. No. Please, no. Move. No. I said no. No, monkey. Move. No.
Nope. Brat. Little brat. You're a brat.
We gotta put the windows down because it's hot. It's hot in there. We let some airflow first. Let me get the monster. Come here, ChiChi. Come here. No. Oh, gosh. God, she's a maniac. Monkey, stop. I will put you in the house. I will, too. I'll put you right in the house, you little monster. You're a monster. Stop being mean to him. Really? Yeah? I think you're crazy. What do you think, Romeo? Think she's crazy? She's crazy. Oh, no. Yeah? Oh, my God. Yeah, she's crazy as hell. What on earth? Really? That's a sharp little bark she's got. Come on, monkey, up here. Up. ChiCi, up. Come on. You gotta get up here. I said get up here, monkey. Come. ChiCi muck. Now. Come. We're not gonna go nowhere. Good Lord. Oh, shit. Oh, we can't go without that. Gotta have emergency water for these guys because it is hot. Wow. She's a psycho. Really? Isn't she crazy, buddy? She's super crazy. Yeah, she's just going nuts. You're such a good boy. You are. Let's get the wind blowing, bud. Goodness. Gracious. Holy shit. That's a maniac. Wow. You're a crazy girl. Wow. That's a crazy monster. Holy shiznick. Okay. Maybe she'll settle down now. Maybe? Alright. Monkey. That's why her name is Monkey. Getting ready to go for a ride to the store. You're such a good boy. You are so sweet and handsome. Yes, you are. I love you so much. Alright, y'all. We're gonna hit the tractor supply and get some. It is hot, y'all. It is hot. These babies is hot. We ain't been gone 15 minutes and they've already had to have some ice cubes. Oh, Lordy, it's hot. It's hot, ain't it, buddy? It's hot. This one here overheats super fast. We gotta get her home. These my babies right there. This is my babies. Yep. I love them. Oh, shit. We got red light. I think we're gonna have to go the back way now. We got red light. Oh, no, the light's green. All right. Light turned green, baby. We can go. Yep. Let's get the hell up out of here. She's looking for her ice cube. You're such a good boy. You find an ice cube, honey? I give you another one. Here, I give her another one. Here. There you go. Get better, they got ice cube now. She's munching hers. Yep, that's good babies. Good babies. You can find him ice cube? You can find it? It's on the seat. Him ice cube is on the seat, Bubs. Him find it? Okay, he probably did. Alright, we're almost home now. Almost home, almost out of the hot box. Yep. Hopefully we'll make it. We won't run out of gas. Because it is on empty. Empty. Yep. Doggies don't care. They don't care. They don't care at all. As long as we make it, we're good. Alright, we're headed home. Everybody's gonna be super happy. Yep, say much love, everybody. Much love, much love, much love. Yep.
I want to bite your face.